Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about maximizing your health from the inside out, and what better way to do that than by exploring the power of what you drink. That's right, we're diving into the 8 best drinks to not only detox your body, but also to turbocharge your brain function. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial, but choosing the right drinks can make all the difference when it comes to your overall well-being. Think of these drinks as rocket fuel for your brain, giving you that extra edge to conquer your day. And hey, if you're serious about taking your brain health to the next level, don't forget to check the description for our 7-day plan for a healthier brain checklist. It's packed with actionable tips and tricks to help you optimize your cognitive function. Let's get started. First up, we've got a classic green tea. Now, you've probably heard me talk about the benefits of green tea before, and for good reason. This stuff is like a superhero for your brain. It's packed with antioxidants, those powerful compounds that fight off those nasty free radicals trying to damage your cells. Green tea is particularly rich in an antioxidant called EGCG, which has been linked to improved brain function, better memory, and even a reduced risk of cognitive decline. Plus it contains L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes relaxation without making you drowsy. Talk about a win-win! Next on our list is a vibrant and delicious choice beet juice. This ruby red drink isn't just visually appealing, it's a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to brain health. Beet juice is known to increase blood flow to the brain, thanks to those naturally occurring nitrates. And why is that important? Well, increased blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain cells, which enhances cognitive performance, improves focus, and even boosts your mood. Plus, beets are loaded with antioxidants that help detoxify your body, leaving you feeling energized and revitalized. Let's move on to a drink that's both delicious and packed with brain-boosting benefits. The Turmeric Latte. Turmeric, the golden spice that gives this latte its vibrant hue, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. And curcumin is a rock star when it comes to brain health. It has potent anti-inflammatory properties, which are crucial for protecting your brain from damage. Plus, studies suggest that curcumin can enhance memory, improve focus, and even promote the growth of new brain cells. Now, who doesn't love a good smoothie? But we're not talking about just any smoothie here. We're talking about a blueberry-packed brain-boosting smoothie. Blueberries, those tiny little fruits, are nutritional powerhouses, bursting with antioxidants. And when it comes to brain health, blueberries are in a league of their own. Their antioxidants can cross the blood-brain barrier, providing direct protection to your brain cells. They've been linked to improved memory, enhanced learning, and even a reduced risk of cognitive decline. Let's talk about matcha, a type of green tea that's been gaining popularity lately, and for good reason. Matcha is like green tea on steroids, offering even more concentrated benefits. It provides a unique combination of caffeine and L-theanine, giving you a calm alertness without the jitters. This means you get that energy boost without the crash later. Plus, matcha is loaded with antioxidants, including EGCG, which we know is fantastic for brain health. It helps protect your brain, improve focus, and boost cognitive function. Chapter 6. Coconut Water, Nature's Brain Hydration. Moving on to a drink that's as refreshing as it is beneficial: coconut water. This natural electrolyte drink is not only incredibly hydrating, but it's also packed with essential minerals that your brain needs to function at its best. We're talking about electrolytes like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which are crucial for nerve function, muscle contractions, and overall brain health. Coconut water helps replenish these electrolytes, keeping your brain hydrated and energized. Chapter 7. Lemon Water, a refreshing detox for your brain. Now let's talk about a simple yet powerful drink that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is a fantastic way to detoxify your body and give your brain a refreshing boost. Lemons are a great source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that's crucial for brain health. Plus, the citric acid in lemons can help enhance energy production in your brain cells, leaving you feeling alert and focused. Chapter 8. Ginseng Tea, an ancient remedy for modern minds. Last but not least, we have ginseng tea. an ancient remedy that's been used for centuries to enhance cognitive function. Ginseng is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body cope with stress more effectively. And when it comes to your brain, ginseng is a true ally. It can help improve memory, reduce mental fatigue, and enhance overall cognitive performance. Plus, it's been shown to reduce stress and improve mood, which are essential for maintaining a healthy brain. Power up your brain. So there you have it, folks. 8 incredible drinks that can help you detoxify your body and unlock your brain's full potential. Remember, incorporating these drinks into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful way to invest in your cognitive health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on brain health. We're here to guide you on your journey to a healthier, happier, and sharper you. And don't forget to check the description for our 7-day plan for a healthier brain checklist. It's packed with actionable tips and tricks to help you optimize your cognitive function. Stay healthy, everyone.